Welcome back to SMKR. This is your host Steve. This is a review of the fantastic plastic 1/44th scale Milano from Guardians of the Galaxy 2. And this is 21 pieces, all resin kit, patterned by Alfred Wong, cast by Millennium Models International, decals by Canuck Models. And wonderful spaceship. Ever since I saw it in that movie, I said I gotta have that in model kit form, and here it is. It's the only one that I know of that's out there as a resin cast kit. I believe you can pick one up and print one as an STL file, but I don't do any of that right now, so this is what I have. 21 pieces, so let's look at it and review this the SMKR way. I took all the wrapping out so we didn't have to mess with that, but it was bubbles. Bubbles were included with that. So we have a bag of resin parts, very large piece of resin for the main fuselage of the spaceship. And the instructions are in here. And here's the instructions for the Milano from Guardians of the Galaxy 2014. This is for medium to advanced modelers. The pattern by Alfred Wong, cast by Millennium Models International. So they give you little steps here on working with resin, and then right away they give us the instructions. 6 steps here. So we're gluing a lot of wing parts on, engine parts. And then the next 3 steps. And then they give us the painting outline here. Light blue, bright blue, and silver gray. And just follow the illustration for that. And give us a couple of screen captures there. We just get the symbol and Milano in a white decal. Pretty much it. So here it is. Of course, this is a resin cast kit that's going to require a lot of cleanup and filling of pinholes. There are some tiny pinholes in this. When I go to prime this, that will actually bring out those pinholes. And of course, there's a lot of cleanup here with extra resin going on. The panel lines are not that great. I'm going to give you a close-up of the panel lines here. And you can see there, it's pretty much a rough casting. I'm kind of disappointed in this. I've got other model kits from this company, and they are usually a little bit better than this, but there you have it. This did retail for quite a bit. I don't remember exactly, like $130 plus shipping, and you can see there's some holes that need to be filled throughout. So it is very much rough casting, but it can be worked on and made to look very nice. If you're a modeler like me, I definitely can improve on this and make it look good. Here's the front. Only game in town unless you 3D print it. But there you go. Give you the side profile of it. And there's the side profile. Top profile. The other side. The front. And underneath. The back. And close-up of the engine detail. Alright, let me get the other parts out. We'll get a look at those here real quick. And here's a set of wings. You can see parts are broken off here. Whether or not that needs to be there, I'm not sure. Another set of wings. And another set of wings there. More parts for the engines, looks like, for the bottoms. Rough casting there. Quite good detailing though. Again. Again, more parts. Looks like the fans. Some details needs to be cleaned up. And I zoomed in, look at the last little bits here. And there you have it. That was an open box review of the fantastic plastic Milano 1/44 scale, 21 pieces, all resin kit. So if you like my content, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for all video upload notifications. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.